All right, welcome back to the channel. Just received this in the FedEx delivery today. This is the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. It's a brand new gimbal from the company. So looking around the side of the box here, the back it says made for iPhone. It is also going to work with Android. So we'll demonstrate with both devices in a bit. Let's just cut the plastic. There we go. Throw that to the side. This opens up here. And the reveal. Alright, so this is all in English and Chinese. Inside here we've got your silica gel. We've got actually a nice little travel case, travel bag for it. Got your Type A to Type C USB cable. Hopefully you can see that right there. We've got this tiny little gimbal and this little clip accessory thing. Let's put this box to the side. We've also got quick start guide, your safety guide, which is actually thicker, your troll stickers, warranty information, and then this fold out information about apps and using and everything else. So we'll take a look at that later. We also received this magnetic phone mount. This is going to be, well, designed for iPhone, but I think it will work for any that have a compatible magnet. Slice that little sticker there. Where they just gonna rip it. Yeah. Nice plain white box there. We flip that open and we've got more paperwork and another adapter. So the original one that came with the device. It's got a little spring to it. And finally, here is your gimbal. So let me get this all set up and we'll come back in just a moment, take a look at what we got. Alright, so here is the gimbal. I left this on just because I didn't feel like fighting with the sticker, but to turn it on, it's just as easy as flip this and it does everything on its own. Alright, so you just fold that right where the hinge is there, and that little fishtail thing right here goes right into that slot to rest and powers off, as you can see. So once again, just flip this straight out and it does everything else on its own. You can see it has power. There's a little light there. So I've got my iPhone 16 Pro right here. You got two different mounts here. This one looks like it's going to be a universal. That'll be good for your iPhones. This one is going to be your Apple ones and any MagSafe ones. So you can see that just clips right on there. You can see that this has the up thing right here in a little grooved out area. Lines up right there with that dot and its groove. So goes. And done. So it's definitely going to take me some time to get used to something like this. I've never used one before. But you're supposed to be able to do this dial here, and it will zoom in and out on the camera. This here rotates the camera and the arm. And then there's a button on the back side here, which will let you quickly trigger it to go back to selfie mode. Anyway, like I said, I'll have to play around with that a little bit. But as you spin that around, double tap brings it back to selfie. So let's see if we can figure out the camera thing. Let's switch over to video. So I don't think that it paired with the phone yet. So let me stop here. We will dive into the booklet and figure out how to get it to pair and continue on. All right, we're back here looking at the instructions. It looks like I was doing everything right. You just tap this area here and you can see it popped up already. Tracking device, locating your accessory. So from what I just saw in the booklet, that should be everything. That just clicks right into there. And now we got a green ring. Confirming accessory for first time use. This may take a moment. You can see there. And now done. So let's go ahead and open the camera once more. Go to video. And yeah, we got some boxes there. We're going to be doing some more reviews here soon. And you can see I just clicked on this right on the red dot here, and it starts recording. And we can move the camera around, follow mount, spin it around for that, doing the barrel roll, spin around again, and this is actually really neat. So it can go in all kinds of directions, do all kinds of little fancy things, but it's recording, so we'll play back that video and see how bad that jerkiness is just moving my hand. And I'll put that in the video here right now. Alright, so those of you that are not iPhone users but Android, here is my OnePlus 13 that just came out, and you see this clip, so it will just slip around. Boom, done. Try to get it as centered as you can so it makes it easier for the gimbal to balance it, but before we do that, I'm going to show you how to get the app installed. So in the paperwork here is the barcode to scan, so just open up your camera app, photo, link, and right there on the top, download. Here's user manuals and other things if you want to look at that, quick guide, video. So we're going to say download this. Like me, the app didn't want to download and I get an error saying parsing failed or something like that. Just go to the Google Play Store and click on download. That should install here in just a second. And as you can see, this is a fairly big file, just over 700 meg, and I'm in the basement, so Wi-Fi isn't the greatest down here. It is kind of chugging along. And there we go. Well, let's see if we have to do the NFC thing again. Oh, I hear some chiming. Alright, so I'm back here. One thing that I noticed the instructions saying right over here, if you can read the small print, it's really hard with one eye, but I had to use another camera so I can pinch and zoom in on the text. It's saying after applying the clip, then give that a try. It opens up the app. Hey, look at that. And all of a sudden it just moved and chimed and everything seems to be wanting to work. So let's get that on there. So I don't know why the clip had to be on just to do the NFC, but if you do experience this problem, just make sure that that clip is on and you give that a whirl. You can see that the motion does work, which we expect. That doesn't rely on the device at all. If you have any questions or things that you want to see with this, do let me know, and I'll try my best to test them. Thanks for watching.